Here in OCDEM, we have some very, very clever people doing some really, really clever things. Research is the fundamental thing that we need to do for a good, solid, long-term healthcare system in this country.
The CRU is the clinical research unit. We're carrying out the research sort of at the coalface as such, so we're meeting the needs of the researchers, so taking their research and helping them undertake it so that it actually happens. It happens safely within those, good clinical practice guidelines, and keeping the participants happy and safe and providing the best possible care we can at the same time.
It's a nice place to be, it's a friendly place. I've met most of the people a lot of the times before on my previous visits that they always in advance send you information, so you always know what's expected of you. So you always know if they need a biopsy.
They're so careful about how they take you through the various steps, the explanations, the consultation that you go through, the checks and the monitoring through whatever that program is really 100% thorough, and I've never had a bad moment at all, quite the contrary.
We've got 8 clinical beds within 4 clinical rooms. We've also got the DEXA scanner, so that measures body composition, so the amount of fat that a patient's got and how it's distributed throughout the body. Generally people come in really anxious about it and go away saying, actually it wasn't as bad as I thought. I think knowing exactly what to expect and then somebody reassuring them the whole way through it makes the experience much better. It's important that the patients enjoy their research experience. There's more chance that they maybe were going to come back and do further research and also pass that positive message on to others.
The Oxford Bioresource is a large cohort of healthy people collected from the local population. And the unique aspect of this cohort is that every participant has given informed consent to be reapproached to take part in future projects involving research into diabetes and other metabolic disorders. If we want to understand, for example, what a certain gene is doing, it's most likely best to do that in people with an intact or healthy physiological system. Oxford Bioresource is particularly strong in its characterization of the participants in the areas of diabetes, obesity and endocrinology.
Access to all the different areas like the core lab, the basic science, the rich pool of patients that we have coming through our clinic and the expertise of the research nurses all adds to the sort of unique jigsaw that makes OCDEM what it is, which is a really unique research facility.
You've benefited from the last 40 or 50 years of clinical research in the way that you and your family have been treated. And if you can help the process, just go and do it. Because that way you're going to be helping your children's children and generations to come.